CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker packs an incredible 12 cups of cooked rice into this tiny kitchen staple, making it the ultimate game changer for busy families and solo cooks alike. Imagine being able to cook perfect rice every time, without having to babysit it or worry about overcooking. That's what owning a CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker gets you. So how does it do it? With its advanced fuzzy logic technology, this Korean rice cooker uses adjustable cooking times and temperatures to ensure your rice is never burnt, delivering superior results with minimal effort. But don't just take our word for it. Let's dive into the details of what makes this CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker so special. First up, cook-up time. This little powerhouse can whip up 12 cups of cooked rice in under 20 minutes. That's lightning fast, folks. And with its simple, intuitive controls, you'll be a pro at cooking perfect rice in no time. The CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker also features quick white rice mode, which means you can get perfectly cooked white rice in just 5 to 7 minutes. No more waiting around for hours, this baby gets the job done fast. But what really sets the CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker apart is its versatility. Not only can it cook perfect white and brown rice, but it can also handle everything from oats to baby food. And with its non-stick pot and removable lid, cleanup is a breeze. Just toss out any leftover rice or debris, give it a quick rinse, and you're good to go. One of the most impressive features of this CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker is its auto-cleaning setting. Need to deep clean your cooker? Simply select the self-clean mode, let it run for about 30 minutes, and voila! Your cooker will be sparkling like new. No more scrubbing away at burnt-on rice. This baby makes quick work of cleanup. Another standout feature is its compact design. This isn't just a pretty face. The CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker truly fits in small kitchens or apartments, taking up minimal counter space. And with its sleek, modern look, it's sure to be the centerpiece of your kitchen. The CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker also comes equipped with a built-in rice spatula and measuring cup for easy use. No more fiddling around with separate utensils. This cooker has got you covered from start to finish. And with its warming mode, you can keep cooked rice hot for hours without it going cold. So there you have it. The CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker is a game changer for anyone who cooks rice, and let's be real, who doesn't? With its advanced technology, versatility, and compact design, this little powerhouse is sure to become your new best friend in the kitchen. Get ready to say goodbye to subpar rice and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Click that link below to get yours today.